Hey guys, what's up? This is Greg and I'm at the body shop. I see one of these cars here at the body shop that the guys are working on. Obviously it needs some work. I don't know if it's a salvage or not, but this particular car is a Toyota Prius. They made this body style between 2004 and 2009. And you definitely don't want to keep one of these on the street because the catalytic converters are being stolen like crazy. I had heard about that happening, and I also talked to an owner of a Toyota dismantler. And he's saying the catalytic converters on these cars are worth $400. And the reason they're being stolen all the time is because there's platinum inside the catalytic converter, so they're valuable. And a lot of drug addicts and just thieves in general are stealing the catalytic converters on these. Just remember, this is the Toyota Prius from 2004 to 2009. So the 2010 and above, the catalytic converters aren't as valuable. But 2004 to 2009 Prius is. Do not keep this Prius 2004 to 2009 on the street. It's very likely the catalytic converter will get stolen. And even though it's very low here and looks like it's difficult to steal a catalytic converter, believe me, thieves have ways of bypassing everything. So warning on that, guys. Do not keep a 2004 to 2009 Prius on the street. Okay? Catalytic converters are worth $400. Okay, until the next time, guys. Bye.